Hi friends, Miss Rhiannon from the Flower Mound Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Origami Cyclops Eye. Now the Cyclops was a giant with one eye from Greek mythology. You might remember that one of them famously tried to gobble up the hero Odysseus, but he was outwitted. So we are going to make our very own Origami Cyclops Eyes. Take a square piece of paper. You're going to fold one corner to meet the opposite corner. Unfold it and turn it around. Do the same thing with the opposite set of corners. Press that down so you have a nice straight crease. Go ahead and open that up. Now you're going to bring the bottom corner to meet that center crease. Press that down, make a nice sharp crease. Do it again. Corner to center crease. Now you're going to unfold that corner and bring the corner to meet the crease that you just made. Turn it around one more time. Now leaving this corner folded, this little corner, you're going to fold again towards the center crease. Fold in towards the center crease. And now you're going to bring that bottom edge to meet this center crease. Press that down, turn it around so that the two edges meet right there in the middle along that crease. Press that down, get nice hard edges, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Now you're going to flip it over. When you turn it around, you should have a nice little crease there in the middle from side to side. And you're going to fold the bottom point to meet that crease. Turn it around. Bring that other point so that your 2 points meet right there in the center of your rectangle, at that crease there in the middle. Now we're going to fold the right corner. We're folding at the top of that long edge and the center of the short edge. So fold that in. We're going to do this with each of the corners. Fold the corners down, folding at the center of the long edge and the center of the short edge. Keep going. Keep pressing down so you've got nice sharp creases. Last one. And what we're doing when we fold these corners, we are making handles, little handles, so that when we flip our eye over, you can see we can make our eyelids open and shut. Now unfold what you've done so far. Just unfold it part way. And then here at this diamond in the middle, that's where we're going to put the colored part of our eye. So I'm going to use this colored circle to make the iris. The iris is the colored part of the eye. Now, if you did not get one of our craft kits and you're just using materials at home, I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. But I'm going to go ahead and glue this down to make the iris of the eye and use the smaller black circle provided to make the pupil, which is that small black circle right in the middle of your eye. And you can see I've also done one here with crayons and colored pencils, and you can do that if you are using your own materials at home. So go ahead and fold it back. Flip it over, fold those points back in, fold the corners up to make your handles. and turn it over, and now you have a terrifying Cyclops eye, and you can make it blink. And you can see here that I've colored mine to look a little more realistic. There you go, and that's how you make an origami Cyclops eye. Thanks for joining us today to make this fun paper craft.